I am gonna show you how to make your lips to go from this to this. You don't need to spend $800 once a year, or even how I used to do every 6 months, because it will go away like literally in 6 months, and it's crazy. And then at the end, when I was getting filler done, because the needles going constantly in and out, my vessels over here broke. If you want to save money on the lip filler, this is the best and the cheapest way. You literally just need Mini Dermaroller. I have a Mini Dermaroller from Jen Amber Beauty with the real individual needles that I trademark, only Jen Amber Beauty. You will get the best surgical grade stainless steels surgical tools, no titanium. Don't listen to other people that they say you need Dermarollers that are titanium. No, it's not true. This tool gonna give you the most beautiful plumpy lips, and it's actually anti-aging. I'm gonna disinfect right now my lips with liquid oxygen that has actually oxygen, and oxygen disinfects better even than alcohol. I wash my hands, by the way, and I disinfected my hands before doing that as well. And I only have a towel that I only use for the face. I wipe it off. I make sure that it goes a little bit around the lips, and this will take literally less than 5 minutes. How I do, basically when I teach microneedling, I say roll, lift, roll, lift, roll, lift. Well, not with this tool. This is very tiny tool. It's okay to go back and forth because it's a small area, small Dermaroller. The needles are wider between each of the needles. So because it's 48 needles, so it's okay to go back and forth, but it is not okay to go like that. When you Dermaroll your lips, make sure your mouth is always closed all the time, because you don't want to roll on your teeth. You don't. So basically I'm taking like a minute on one lip, minute on second lip. If in case I feel I need a little bit more, I will go extra, but if you are a beginner, don't Dermaroll more than a minute both lips. Just start slowly, because you don't want to peel next day. Even with this size, yes, you can peel, and this is the only size, which is 0.25 you want to use on the lips, because the lip skin is extremely thin. So let's get started. If you need to do a little bit like duck lips, that's fine. As I'm advanced, I will do 20 more on each square, and so 5 squares, 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares. So I'll do the same here. Here also 5 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna speed up this video right now. What's the pressure of microneedling your lips? Same as you will shave your legs. I kind of do like this. I put this lip on my teeth and I feel it, but not too much. So now what I do, I want to avoid the smoke hairline. So I'll do the same exact thing right above the lip, right here. 1, 2, 3. And I do mouth corners right here, this and this. If you've been microneedling consistently for more than 2 years, that means you can do the same exact thing one more time on everything. Oh yes. Okay, my lips are getting bigger. I can tell it. All right, what I do now, I am going to disinfect this tool with the foam. I'm gonna keep it like that on my counter, my sink. I'm gonna wait until the foam gonna settle down. Then I'm gonna pour the liquid oxygen in the sink, rinse with filtered water, not the tap water, store it like that, leave it over the night, and tomorrow completely close and use next time. Use this only once a week, no more often. Don't ask me why, because lip skin is very thin. What I'm using after, actually, peptide serum, a regular face peptide serum, which is anti-aging. This feels right. one thing I'll let you know. Ladies, no food and no sex for at least 2-3 hours. When I'm saying sex, that's mean, you know what I'm talking about, yeah. That's it, once a week. If you will do this for 2-3 months, you will see like not really permanent, but more consistent result that is gonna last you longer. I mean, look at this now. No makeup, no fillers, no filters, no lasers, no crazy nothing. Looks like I just got $800 filler and I did not. And yeah, that's gonna last until tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And if I will do this consistently, once a week, this is gonna last longer and longer and longer. And plus, this is anti-aging, which is gonna help you avoid those lines, those lip lines, and the smoker lines around my lip. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification video so you can get notified about those amazing videos. This tool and this foam and this serum links are down below in my description box. By the way, subscribe to the newsletter because we are about to launch amazing niacinamide serum, which is my favorite. I love you guys so much. I see you in my next video. Bye.